guys, so this is the press-ons that I bought. There are the Kiss Jelly Fantasy. They are so pretty and they're new. And I also just grabbed some rubbing alcohol. You're gonna need that to rub off anything that's on your nail bed basically. And then I'm just showing, grab 2 little cotton pads or cotton balls, whatever works better for you. And I like to use this Kiss brush on glue. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. I went ahead and laid down this little blanket because I realized my table's a glossy white and there was a big reflection, but I just measured out all of the press-ons and I like to lay them out. That way I know which one goes on which finger. It also came with a nail filer, a little cuticle stick, and also some adhesive tape. If you didn't want to use a glue, look, it also came with that glue. So if you didn't choose to use a glue, you can use the adhesive sticks and adhesive stickers. And I was just showing that I just purchased the Kiss brush on glue because I have used that in the past. And it's very sturdy. I think it works better than the actual glue it comes with. So first things first, you want to just take your alcohol and your cotton pad and take off anything on your nail bed. Even if you have nothing on there, just do it anyways because the alcohol will just dry it out. Make sure there's no moisture there. That way the glue will stick better and your nails will last way longer. After applying the rubbing alcohol, I just like to go in with the nail filer and just kind of make like a rough, like, what am I trying to say? Like, put some texture on my nail bed, basically. I feel like it just sticks a little better when there's some texture there. I could be crazy. Who knows? I'm not a nail person, but I was just showing you the texture that it left. I feel like it just sticks better, but who knows? And then also I had some leftover dried up glue from the nails I had on previously. So that's why I did that. I don't really get much like cuticle. Like my cuticles don't grow that much, but so I just push back whatever is there, which is honestly not that much. And yeah, basically just I just went in also with that little cuticle stick and was cleaning out the underneaths of my nails, just for sanitary reasons. All right, guys, so now we finna start putting the glue on. Just do like a light layer, air it off a little bit, like you putting on some wig glue, and then go ahead and go in with the second layer. I don't know, I do this and honestly it works for me. Like, these nails ain't going nowhere for about a good, I'll say, week and a half ish. I am pretty rough with my nails. And I clean a lot doing dishes, so obviously these are gonna pop off, but I find when I do it this way, they stay on a little longer. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead, go through all my nails, do it the same way, and then I just start doing them like 2 at a time because I do this all the time and I guess I'm a little pro at it or whatever. But yeah, just go ahead and watch, and then I'll show you after I get all these nails on. I'm going to show you another trick that I do with the glue to make sure they stay in place. Guys, also, if you know of any brands that sell like longer press-on nails, let me know. I know for Kiss, this is as long as they go, and they're still kind of small for me. So let me know if you know any brands that sell any longer ones. I'll definitely buy them and review them, because they so pretty. Look at them. They're like really bomb, and I'm grateful I even have something on my nails. But I can definitely do something longer. What I'm doing here is I'm just shaping it a little more. They are stiletto, but they kind of have like some, like, I don't know what I would call it, like film on it that you need to like kind of buff away, if that makes sense. If you guys wear press-ons, I think you know what I'm talking about, but I was just like getting rid of that extra, I guess, plasticky whatever. Ooh, look at me dropping that glue. That's basically what I'm doing here. Also, I was sharpening up the tips a little more, and I'm kind of like, I probably shouldn't have done that, because I've been like washing my face, and like when I take off my makeup, I've been scratching up my face, but whatever. I mean, I guess over time they'll kind of dull down. Voila, they're all on. These are so bomb, honestly. They're really pretty, and the quality is really good, guys. But let me go ahead and show you how I make sure they stay on longer. I just get some glue and I put it on the insides of my nails. So if you're using the little glue that it comes with, you can just go ahead and squeeze like a little baby dots inside. That way it stays. I feel like this is low-key key to having your press-on stay on long. Call me crazy or whatever, but I really feel this way. I do this all the time, every time I wear press-ons, and I find that it really works. Yeah. I was like kind of air drying them and blowing them with my mouth, but these were the ones I previously had on by Kiss. They're also long. Well, according to them, this is their long. And this shape was coffin. I threw that one because it was used. I didn't really want you guys to see the used one because there was like dried up gel in it. Glue in it. But these are the coffin ones, and I just wanted to show the quality. Like, it's kind of hard to see on my phone, but it's really thick quality. It's really good. It's not like, I love Kiss's press-on nails because they're not flimsy. They actually have really good quality. Like, they're low-key hard. These jelly ones, the stiletto tips that I have on right now, these ones are actually harder than the purple ones down there. I recommend both. I recommend any of the Kiss ones. I have also tried their French tips before as well. They're really good. That quality, it's like a flexible quality, but it's also really sturdy and they don't come off. But yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love you. Bye.